Let's see the damage. Hopefully not too bad. Oh no. I think this might be the end of this drone. Park the car. I think this is Sierra, Colorado or something like that. And taking a little Sunday hike. I think it's about plus 25, maybe 23. Really nice weather for a hike. A little bit cloudy, so it's not burning hot sun. And as you might see, a little bit sweaty. But yeah, lots of like little geckos in here. You can hear the sound when they crawling on the grass. Yeah, you really cannot see now the shoreline from here. So many trees. I think this trail was about 3.5 kilometers. This was the shortest one. There was also, I think the longest one was 6.5 kilometers, about that. But yeah, I've never been here, so this is quite near actually. Maybe about 15 to 20 minutes from our home with car. And yeah. Not too much traffic, but still a few people in here running on the hills. Oh, now we're at the little sightseeing place. Let me show you. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. Really cool. Expedition here, so I landed the drone up in the tree, so now it should be somewhere here. Minne päin? Tuolla, mä näen sen. So it's here. see the damage. Hopefully not too bad. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, let's turn it off. Okay, so basically we broke the gimbal. The rotor seems to be okay for a quick view, but the gimbal is ruined, so I think this might be the end of this drone. Let's see. Whew. Now I need to get up there, back to the trail. Yeah. You can see the top right there, and I think that might be about maybe 200 meters higher than we are now.